Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is server edition of our LZH project and part 2 of Nginx. So in this video, it's going to be an interesting video because we are going to cover some basic authentication in Nginx. We are going to restrict based on IP address, and then we will show you, rather I will show you how you can protect a specific folder in your website and allow the other. So let's start. So at the moment, if we just see that our Nginx is working, okay, that's good. So let's go to our to our client first and check if our website is still available. Okay, so I'll just type HTTP 192 and IP address, and there we have it. Our website is still available. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to password protect this website first. So to do that, let's go to our server. Okay, and then we just go to Nginx configuration file and just scroll down. Okay, one more thing, I need to see if Nginx user exists. Okay, user Nginx. Okay, fine. So let's go to this server derivative, this one, and over here beneath this line we will add auth underscore basic. Let's call it super auth. Okay, and then after this we will add auth underscore basic underscore user underscore file. Okay, so what this is telling that auth basic super auth is the name of this authentication, and auth basic user file is where this authenticated or file is available where users will be authenticated from. So we haven't created it yet, but let's give it etc nginx, and the file name will be .htpasswd. Okay, close it. So what this is telling is that in etc nginx there will be a file .htpasswd and it will be used to authenticate users. Okay, that's it. Save and quit. And now let's create those users with htpasswd command -c to create, and in etc nginx.htpasswd. We don't have it right now, but it will be created. Okay, and username is itpings. Press enter and it will ask for new password. I'll just give it a very simple password. Okay, cool. So let's check if this file exists now. Okay, yes, it does, and it has a user itpings with an encrypted password. Okay, what if I want to create another user? I'll just create without a C option. Let's create a user sal password, and it will not overwrite this file. .htaccess. There we have it, 2 users, and that's how you can make number of users. Okay, now let's go to our Slackware client. Okay, so we have this Slackware client, and first let me type Google here. Okay, now what will happen if I just go back to this my web server? It will ask for a password. Okay, it's in the cache. Let me refresh it first. Let me close this browser and then I'll. Okay, I think we haven't restarted Nginx, so let's restart it. Systemctl restart Nginx. Okay, now let's go to our Slackware. Go to Google first. Oh, we added an extra W. Okay, now let's go to HTTP. It should ask for password, and there we have it. Perfect. Okay, now it's not going to work. If I just try to click OK without a password, it will authentication failed. Do you want to retry? Retry. Okay, what if I give it pings and the password I selected for it pings and it's working fine? Okay, what if I just go back? It's in the cache, so I need to just refresh it anyway. 5. Okay. 192.168. So at the moment it's in the cache. I need to refresh it, otherwise it will just, or need to close the browser. Let's close it. Let's open Conqueror again. Okay. And HTTP 192.168. So there we have it. It's asking for the password again. Okay, what if I just can provide the password and click cancel? It will give me an authorization required. So that's working perfectly fine. Okay, now let's go back to our server. Okay, we are in our server, and I have already created one directory in USR share Nginx in HTML. Okay, this is a public directory, and I have this HTML a.html created, and let me show you the code. It's really simple. It will just show us this written open for all, respect open source, respect Linux. That's it. So what I would like to do is, I just want to protect my full website, but I just want to make sure that this public folder is available. But before that, what will like at the moment it's not it's protected, because we will not be able to access it anyway. Let me prove it for you. Okay, where is my Slackware? Okay, so here we are back. I press enter. It's asking for the password. Cancel. Now I want to go to public /a.html. It still asks for the password, but what I want to do is I want to make public available for everyone, but the rest of the website will be password protected. So how we can achieve that? Let me show you. Go back to the server, go to etc nginx, back to nginx.conf. Okay, we'll scroll down. So this authentication is saying that authentication is available, but in this location tab over here, I just mention which area I just don't want to protect. Let's insert, and the directory is public, and between these curly braces I will write auth underscore basic auth. That's it. Let's save and quit. systemctl restart Nginx. Perfect. Let's go to our Slackware. Okay, here we have it, Slackware. Okay, let me try to first access 1.3 only. So it's asking for the password. But now what will happen if I just go to public folder directly, or the place where we have this a.html public / a.html. So it's time for magic. Press enter. There we have it. Perfect. So this public folder is available for everyone, but other folders or our website is password protected. So it pings, and the password I selected will take us to the main file. So that's working perfectly fine. Okay, third thing I would like to show you that how we can restrict the access based on IP address. So let's go back to our server. Okay, but first we need to check what is our IP address of our Slackware. Okay. So it's 1.100, 192.168.1.100. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, okay, you know what? We can use another Slackware, or okay, let me block this 1.100. So it will just clear the concepts. So let's go to server. Okay. Okay. So we will go to nginx.conf, and in our root directive over here, server directive, sorry, I'm just going to press insert, sorry, okay, yeah, okay. Over here I'm just going to allow 192.168.1.0/24 full network. I'm going to deny 192.168.1.100 network. Sorry, 1.100 IP address, and the rest I'm going to deny all. Okay. Okay, that's it. Let's write and quit system ctl restart Nginx. Perfect. Let's go to our Slackware and try to access. Okay. So, moment of truth. Press enter. Well, it's in the cache. Let me just close this. Open Conqueror again. Close it. Why I'm just opening this? close. Okay guys, my bad. Actually it should be, I think it should be in location, not in the server directive. Let's delete this. Okay, over here let's allow 192.168.1.0 full network, deny 192.168.1.100, and then deny all. What it's saying is to allow full network of 1.0, deny this specific host, and then deny everything else. Write and quit system ctl start. Okay, it's good. So let's go to Slackware. Okay, so now let me press enter. Okay, for list. Okay, it's asking for the password. Authentication is first. It's still working. Okay, let me remove the auth. Okay, I'm back to server. Actually, I haven't tested them both together, so let's remove this auth basic from server. And this thing also. Okay, let's write and quit, restart. Okay, now let's check. Okay, cache. It's still working. I think it's cache. It should not work actually. Let me clear the cache and come back. Okay guys, I have cleared the cache, and let's try this time. Okay, here's my Slackware, and now let's go to and here we have it. Now it's not allowing us, and if we go to public, which was, it's all forbidden. So that's how we can use and block access based on restriction. We can restrict IP addresses. Okay, so let's go back to server this time and try to enable the auth as well. So okay, and via etc, we are already in Nginx. I know this video is getting lengthier, but you have to bear with me in order to understand this. Actually, I'm not removing any errors I'm receiving. I'm not editing this video. It's a live recording. Okay, and I just don't want to delete this thing so you guys can understand it much better. So over here, auth underscore basic, we named it as super auth, close it, and then auth underscore basic underscore user underscore file was etc nginx /.ht passwd, close it. Okay, and this location, if you remember, it was public folder, and the auth underscore basic was off for this specific folder. Now systemctl restart nginx, good. It should work actually. Let's go back to our forbidden folder. Okay, first let's check public is working or not. It's not working. Okay, let's try to access this. Yeah, it's asking for the password. That's good. So if it pings and the password, it should give us forbidden anyway, but it's not working. They're not working together. And what about public? Okay, this is giving forbidden. So this is working fine because it was password authenticated. So let me pause the video for a while. Okay guys, I have configured few things. I just paused the video because it was getting really long. So let me show you what I did now and how it's going to act. So at the moment what I have done is I have enabled all the things together. In this location I have allowed 1.1 and denied 1.100, denied 1.235 and deny all. And then there is auth basic super auth is enabled, auth basic user file, it's enabled. And what I did is I have created another location, that public, and over there the basic authentication is off. So our IP restriction is still enabled, and let me just go to our Slackware. Okay, so if I press enter now, it's forbidden, but what will happen with the public? So public is working perfectly fine. So first off, this thing is working now. Okay, now let me remove the IP based restriction from the server. Okay, so I'm just, instead of deny, I'm just going to allow it. Restart. Let's go to our engine client. Okay, now what will happen? Okay, it's working. Let me just clear the cache. Okay guys, I have cleared the cache, and now if I press enter, it's asking for the authentication. And now it's working perfect, and the public one is also available. I know this has been the really long video, but I hope that it makes sense that why I made this video much longer, because we have configured like we have seen all the authentications, most of the authentication method in Nginx, how to restrict based on IP address, how we can make available some portion of our website available to public, and how we can restrict the other. And also this video was not edited, so that is the reason it's so long. Please do comment. I'm trying to do my hard work. I'm trying to teach you guys as much as I learn. So please do comment and give me your feedback. Please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. And next video is going to be Nginx with Varnish. Thank you.